we're not trying to plan when we find out that there's a hurricane coming. We have plans across assets of what happens if there is a threat of a hurricane, what happens if there's a tornado threat, what happens if there's a pandemic. We've now added that to our disaster recovery plans. What happens if there's a fire, what happens if there's theft or something like that. So we have all of these different scenarios that we've thought out ahead of time, and we train all of our employees about, okay, if there's a hurricane, this is who is in charge. This is the person that's going to be communicating. And then each team member knows what their action items are, what their position is in the chain of command. So it's like business continuity, disaster recovery, BCDR.